What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Flux, which has been pumping up in value over the last 24 hours. It is currently up nearly 17%, making it $1.34, and as you guys can see on the chart, most of the pump did come from the last, I'll say 8, 9, 10 hours, not even the last 24 hours. As you can see, going from about $1.10 all the way up to 134. Well, it did go up to 137, took a little dip, and yeah, fluctuating at 134 right now. So is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to the crypto? I'm going to be focusing on both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how far this crypto can go and is there crypto worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see in the last 24 hours the market has gone down just about 0.28%. However, Flux has managed to gain 16% in value. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain just over 2%. Over the week, 25%, as you can see, consistently picking up in value since about the 2nd of September, 3 days ago. And over the month, a massive 120% up, guys. So most cryptos are on the negative side when you're looking at the monthly chart. However, Flux has managed to stay on the, not just on the positive side, but 120% is quite of a huge increase in value compared to how the crypto market has been performing over the last 2-3 weeks. It hasn't been too well, but yeah, Flux has been performing very well. As you can see, starting from about, let's have a look, 61 cents, and right now 133 is a huge improvement. Over the whole year, it has gone up a massive 368%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a huge 113% in the last 24 hours, making it $96 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Flux. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype recently, and is one of the top gainers as well. So yeah, we are going to see more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is currently valuing Flux at 98 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value at $1.35, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, we should expect a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. We are going to see hours when it's down, when it's red. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value as well, potentially below the $1.30 over the next 2, 3, 4 hours before it jumps back up in value and potentially goes past $1.40. So yeah, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting. However, do expect dips in between. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. So more increases are on the way over the next couple of days. So let's say towards the end of this week, we should expect an again overall increase in value on Flux, potentially heading above the $1.50. Again, I'm not going to say it's going to be a major pump, a major bull run, so on and so on, because that is not what I'm expecting, and that is not the case as well. Just because we are seeing blue and orange candlesticks going in a positive direction, that also does not mean we're going to be seeing it go up in value consistently over the next 7 days. No, guys, we are going to see days when it's red, when it's down, and days when it's green and it's up. So again, it's going to be volatile up and down, but once again, the overall outcome over the next 7 days seems to once again be more on the positive side. So going above the $1.50 is what I'm expecting. But do expect the increase to be a slow and steady pace. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, we are not looking as steep as the previous charts. That is a good thing because that means it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value over the next couple of weeks. So let's say mid-October to late October, we should expect a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment. But again guys, what we want is a slow and steady increase, and that is exactly what the graph is showing us. And again, dips are always a part of the process. I keep mentioning because I don't want you guys to think that, you know what, from this point onwards it's going to keep going up in value. No guys, it is going to dip, it's going to peak, it's going to be volatile. But what I'm talking about is the overall outcome, which once again seems to be more on the positive side. However, this depends on the crypto market, how it performs over the coming days and weeks as well. Obviously, if there is a major crash in the crypto market, we are also going to see Flux crashing as well. However, if the market does decide to pump up in value, go for a major bull run and so on, then yes, Flux will go for a bull run as well, increase in value. But nothing like that is predicted as of yet. And again, crashes and bull runs are not something that you can expect anyway, it's unexpected. But as you guys know, I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on most cryptos, covering the crypto market in general as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my predictions on Flux. What I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we are doing very well at the moment. We are trading the green zone. We did drop into the red zone back in May this year, about 4 months ago, went all the way down, hitting about 37-35 cents, and right now we are slowly and steadily picking up in value. We did hit the green zone in early August, drop back down, hit again, drop back down, and right now we are as high as it's ever been in the last 5-6 months, which is very, very good. And this next target is indeed $1.61. So hopefully we should be able to hit that by mid to late October and potentially hit, head into the dark green zone. Hopefully we won't drop into the red zone, but again, there may be times here and there where we do drop and then pick back up in value. So again, that's what I mean. It's going to be quite volatile. It's going to be a bumpy ride over the next couple of weeks, but again, the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Flux. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.